How to forget Wi-Fi network on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi as shown. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. This page allows you to manage your Wi-Fi connections, view available networks, and join hotspots. Tap on the information icon on the right side of any network you wish to forget. This takes you to the detailed settings page for that specific network, showing connection details and options. At the very top of this screen, tap the text that says "Forget this network." A confirmation pop-up will appear to ensure you want to proceed and tap on Forget. You will no longer see the network's name after the whole process. Following these steps, you can easily forget a Wi-Fi network on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.